Being more attractive isn't just about a pretty face or a toned body. Attraction is a complete package. And the good news is, you can develop it in 4 main areas. Today you'll learn a straightforward method divided into numbered parts to become more attractive from the inside out. Let's begin. Developing more qualities. 1. Banish negative thoughts. The first secret to attraction is in your head. Those who are overly self-critical and pessimistic about appearance, personality, ability end up doing the same to others. Solution. Replace negative thoughts with neutral ones. Don't say, I'm ugly. Say, I think I'm ugly right now, but that's not absolutely true. And stay away from negative people. Chronic recovery is infectious. 2. Work on your self-confidence. Confident people attract attention because confidence is attractive. Don't blame yourself for everything. Don't say, I'm an idiot. Say, I'm having trouble with this subject. And stop comparing yourself to others. Compare yourself only to your past self. 3. Show your international qualities. Kindness, respect, and attention to what the other person says are worth more than appearance. Do favors without expecting anything in return. Really listen, with eye contact, phone put away, and relevant questions. 4. Cultivate healthy habits. Diet, sleep, and exercise aren't just for the body. Sleeping 8 hours a night improves skin, weight, and mood. 30 minutes of exercise a day, walking, dancing, yoga already makes a difference. Optimizing your appearance. 5. Know and care for your skin. 5 skin types: normal, oily, dry, sensitive, combination. Oily skin, gentle astringent lotion morning and night. Dry skin, warm water and moisturizer while skin is still wet. Sensitive skin, fragrance-free and alcohol-free products. Always use SPF 30+ sunscreen. 6. Wash your face every day, twice a day, morning and night, to remove impurities. Sensitive or dry skin, wash only once. 7. Take care of your dental and hair health. White and healthy teeth indicate that you take care of yourself. Brush twice a day. Floss. Hair, fine. Wash every other day. Oily, every other day. Curly or thick, 2 or 3 times a week. 8. Adopt a haircut that suits your face shape. Men, straight hair, shorter on the sides, curly, medium length. Women, straight, wavy, curly. There are specific hairstyles for each type. Choose yours. Building a more attractive wardrobe. 9. Buy unique and varied pieces. Eye-catching clothes accentuate your personality. Shop at different stores. Thrift stores, vintage clothing, out-of-season pieces. Show off your unique style. 10. Wear clothes that fit properly. Too tight? Discomfort. Too loose? Sloppiness. Jeans should contour the body without being too tight. Women, bras with support that don't leave marks. 11. Wear red in good shoes. Red conveys power and confidence. And shoes, everyone notices. Boots in winter, shoes that match the look. Men, no mixing brown and black. Makeup and finishing touches. 12. Use makeup to highlight your best features. Highlight what's already good. Even out your skin tone. Bronzer on the cheeks. Blush on the contours of the face. 13. Highlight your eyes. Smoky eye. Nude eyeshadow. Then a brighter one. Then a darker one. Blending everything. Eyeliner on the lashes. Mascara. Or a subtle effect. Brown eyeliner. Champagne eyeshadow. Light mascara. 14. Use and abuse your creativity. 1950s cat eye. Vibrant colors. Turquoise. Emerald green. Makeup is freedom. Experiments. Quick summary of the 14 numbers. Positive thoughts. 2. Self-confidence. 3. Inner qualities. 4. Healthy habits. 5. Skin care. 6. Washing your face. 7. Teeth and hair. 8. The right haircut. 9. Unique clothes. 10. The right size. 11. Red in shoes. 12. Strategic makeup. 13. Emphasizing eyes. 14. Creativity. Attraction isn't luck. It's method. Choose one of these numbers per week. Apply it and see people respond. If you want more content like this, straight to the point, and without beating around the bush, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments, which of these 14 will you apply tomorrow?